Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prajakta Jadhav, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering. Civil Engineering Department is always ready for the holistic development of the students. There are well-experienced and well-qualified faculty members in the department. Department is always taking efforts for the new initiatives and new techniques to convey the students. Department has various functional MOUs for the better development of the student. Department is providing or organizing various value-added programs to give the hands-on training to the students. There is active mentor-mentee scheme in the department through which faculty members are communicating progress of the students to the parents. Various industrial visits, guest lectures are organized at the department for the holistic development of the student. Department is motivating to the students for the sports and extracurricular activities. Outcome of this motivation is many of the students have been selected for the DBATU interzonal sports activities. Some students have been placed in the infrastructure industries as well as real estate industries in civil engineering. Also, some of the students are actively participating in the projects for the societal benefit of the society. They are contributing in the society benefit. Alumni students are actively participating in some of the activities in the department. Thank you.